everyone. If you are aspiring to become a Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central functional consultant or a developer, then you'll be having a lot of questions in your mind and you might not have an answer for that. So I'm here to help you to answer few questions for you which are often come to your mind. Okay, so this is, before we proceed, I wanted to tell you that this is my YouTube channel. You can just scan this QR code to take you through the YouTube channel. Please go and subscribe now if you haven't subscribed yet. And this is my LinkedIn. You can connect with me through LinkedIn, where I'll be posting the opportunities, blogs, and most of the information about the like technology, latest updates, and everything here. So you can scan this particular QR code, and this is the ebook store QR code where I'll be. There you can find Business Central, interview question and answers for functional consultant, for technical consultant, 21 days AL programming learning, and I'm planning to upload more here, like Power BI, Power App, everything. So it will be uploaded. So please scan here, which will take you to the ebook store. So let us go to the question agenda, like question overview. So what is Business Central? So this question, why I'm addressing this question is what? If you are new, if you have just completed your college, and if you want to understand what is Business Central, whether to choose this career or not, then this will help you about Business Central. Next is, why choose career in Business Central? Why should you choose Business Central? What are the major advantages? So we will be discussing this. And then how to get started with Business Central. So where you have to learn, where you have to start with Business Central. What does Business Central functional consultant will do? There is a basic two categories. Okay, so few will be a Business Central functional consultant and few will be developer. Apart from this, we have various other specialization and skills as well, like specialization and learning paths as well, career paths as well. We will discuss that as well. Okay, so what does Business Central functional consultant will do? What skill does a functional consultant need? Okay, how much does a Business Central functional consultant earn? This is a very important question which everyone will get, right? So next is, what does a Business Central developer do? What skills does a Business Central developer need? How much does a Business Central developer earn? And then we will discuss about what are the certifications you should do if you want to become a functional consultant or if you want to become a developer. And what qualification should I possess? So like, what is the qualification? In the sense, I'm talking about the education qualification. Like if you are from arts background or if you are from a engineering background, so what qualification should you have? Then how can you upgrade your knowledge and skills in Business Central? What are the various career paths for Business Central? And where can I search for job? This is very important question. Even if you are fresher, if you are an experienced in Business Central, if you are looking for to switch it to another job, then this question will definitely help you. I will not be just telling you monster.com or some other portal. I'll be showing you 4 best portals where you can get an excellent jobs worldwide for Business Central. Okay, so this we'll be discussing. This is an important question for everyone, so we will address this. So let me just start. What is Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central? Okay, so Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is an ERP solution. So what do you mean by ERP? It's an enterprise resource planning, which is used to streamline the critical back-end business processes. So what are the critical back-end processes? Like finance and accounting, purchasing, supply chain, warehouse management, project management, HR, and payroll. So all these things you can address with the help of Business Central. So there are huge number of ERP products out there, and which are designed to suit all kinds of business sizes, types, and industries. However, within this highly competitive market, Business Central has earned itself a reputation as a powerful yet agile and adaptable solution, particularly suited for SMBs. SMBs are like small and medium size businesses. Okay, this is how you should learn Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, because most of the small to medium sized company, they'll be having a ERP system. So though they are not having, you have to ask them to implement ERP system, and that will be easy. Like you can easily adopt to this Business Central. So why choose career in Business Central? So here comes the topic. Okay, so there are more apps available for Business Central than any Microsoft products. Okay, So here Dynamics 365 has 29% revenue growth. If you use Dynamics 365 Business Central, it is increasing to 29% revenue growth, which is also available in 155 countries as of 2023 December. Okay, might be a few more countries has been added in 2024. And Business Central now has over 30,000 customers globally. Okay, Power Platform has almost 33 million monthly active users, growing at 50% rate year on year. 50% rate. Okay, the ecosystem is strong with over 4,000 Microsoft partners. Okay, there are 4,000 Microsoft partners which are there, who are there. And Business Central is a best cloud platform for ERP with 40 plus microservices. If you don't know what is microservices, just comment what is microservices. I'll reply you, or we will have a separate video for that. Then SMB, which is small medium business, is the fastest growing segment among business apps. And you can see Microsoft reported a 105% year over year customer growth for customers that have more than 100 paid users, offering Microsoft partners who work with large organizations a great cross selling opportunity with the special incentives. And nearly 9 out of 10 workers hope to use AI, artificial intelligence, to cut down on repetitive tasks in their daily day-to-day roles. So, and with the new releases from Dynamics 365 Copilot, these are possible. Okay, Microsoft even in 2024 release, they have discussed about what are their Copilot, that is AI based modules which are available for Business Central. So I will show you all these things in another video, like what are the various things. So you can just find it. Even I have uploaded a separate video for this in my channel, in Goms Tech Talks channel. You can find it. Okay, so this is how you should choose Business Central. Okay, so next, how to get started with Business Central. So this is my channel, Goms Tech Talks. Here you can find 4 important playlists for Business Central. So this is Business Central Technical Consultant, which is a developer. Okay, you can see here it is almost, I have uploaded 164 videos, and nearly there are various views. There are a lot of people who are watching this, and you can learn about Business Central here. Okay, this is the one. The second one is Business Central Functional Consultant. If you want to become a functional consultant, you can learn this here. You have a 35 videos, and I'll be uploading videos every week. Okay, for functional consultant. And this is AL programming bootcamp for Business Central technical developers, which I have already completed this bootcamp. So you can learn AL programming. So if you want to know what is AL programming, then definitely it is a part of a Business Central for developers. You can find it here. And now it is going on a 41 days functional consultants bootcamp, which is almost, I have uploaded 11 videos, and 41 videos will be there, right? Starting from the basic. Who is a functional consultant? Why how he can become a better functional consultant? What is a project management? From the basics towards the intermediate level, I have covered in this bootcamp, which is utmost happening now, which will end in March. Of course, in March 2 or 3, I'm not sure about the date. So it will be there. You can also become a functional consultant. So this is the way you can start learning Business Central. And Microsoft has a special option called Microsoft Learn, where you can find almost various modules for Business Central, specifically for functional consultant as well as the technical consultant. So next question is, what does Business Central functional consultant will do? So Business Central functional consultant job is to speak to stakeholders across their organization, find out what they need from Business Central, and design a system that will help them achieve their goal. So Business Central functional consultant will be the bridge between the developers and the business, like organization or the stakeholders. So after gathering the information and analyzing their organization requirement, functional consultants put together a plan outlining the Business Central modules and functionality needed to meet them. So the plan includes information about how best to configure the application, how to manage data effectively, and whether any customizations are needed. And to know more about the Business Central functional consultant, please go and check this video, this playlist, as well as this playlist. This will definitely help you out. Okay, and what skills does a functional consultant need? So a functional consultant needs to have a mixture of technical product knowledge and like product know-how and crucial soft skill that help them work efficiently with the clients and various stakeholders. So they also need to be good at problem solving, gathering requirements, and translating business needs into real, thoroughly documented solutions. So, this is the very important part. How much does a business central functional consultant earn? So here you can find, this is what in Australia. Here we have just mentioned few countries. Okay, in Australia, junior, that is 0 to 3 years of business central functional consultant are earning this much dollar, 1 lakh 6,000, right? So 1 lakh 6,000 dollars. And mid level, which is 4 to 8 years, they are earning nearly this much dollars. Okay, 1 lakh 43,250. And senior most, they are earning nearly 1 lakh 66,500. So in Belgium, you can see PM means per month. Per month, they are earning this much. Okay, and you are that is Germany euro this much. So this is what the salary of everyone who are working as a business central functional consultant under these region. Okay, and I'm gathering the information about other countries as well. So meanwhile you can find it. This is what the worth of business central functional consultants. Okay, and what does business central developer do? So far we have discussed about the functional consultants. So what is the purpose of a business central developers? Okay, so business central developers job is to customize the application and extend its capabilities so that it aligns with the business needs of the customer they serve. So this usually involves using code to create new functionality, modify existing features, or integrate business central with other apps and services used across the organization. So, a business central developer's day to day role may also include building and configuring forms, dashboards, workflow, plugins, web resources, and scripts to ensure that users have all the tools they need to exploit the application to its fullest potential. So they are responsible for the application, okay, the technical aspects of applications and everything. So what skills does a business central developer need? A business central developer need to have a robust knowledge base of the programming language, and he should especially know application language, that is what AL language, which already I have the resource for AL language, how to learn AL language in 21 days. And also you can scan this code to get the book, okay, PDF book, that is how to learn AL programming in 21 days. Okay, so this is how you can, like, what skills you should have. So as a business central, you should business central developer, you should have AL application language, which is a primary language used to business central. And using AL, these developers can perform complex computations, connect to external web services, and manipulate the data. So here, you should have a tech expertise in areas like automation, SQL, DevOps practices, and full-fledged business central developers will also have a strong analytical and problem-solving skills and the ability to write high-quality specifications and technical analysis document. Okay, so how much does a business central functional consultant will earn? So this is the earning of a business central functional, this is functional consult, okay, sorry. What skills does developers do? Okay, what these are the skills that the business central developer should possess. This is what I told, like SQL, DevOps, AL programming, and everything. So far we have discussed about this. So in the next part, okay, this is the end of the first part of the discussion. So this is a continuation series. So the next part we'll be discussing about what skills does a business central developer need, how much. Okay, we have already discussed about the skills. Got it. So the from here, how much does a business central developer earn? What are the certifications you should do? What qualifications should you possess? How can you upgrade your knowledge? What are the various career paths for business central? And finally, how can you find jobs in business central? If you have any other questions which are not listed here, please leave your comment so that I will consider this in the second part. Okay, I'll be releasing the second part within 2 days, so please stay tuned. Thank you, take care, bye bye, and I want to meet you soon with these questions answered. Thank